Hi, Dr. Merrill here in the Coates Hearing Clinic lab. Today I'm going to go over how to charge your Oticon open devices. As you can see in front of me, we have the charger as well as your hearing aids themselves. You have a blue and a red dot that coincide with the blue and the red of the hearing aid. If you take the right device, you will see red on the base of the hearing aid itself as well as on the receiver. That will then match up with the red on the charger itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the hearing aid into the charger just like this, and you will see that it starts to blink red until it is fully charged. These hearing aids right now are fully charged, so as soon as they go into the charger, they will turn solid green. We're going to do the same with the blue device, which is your left device. We're going to insert it into the charger. Once it's plugged in, it will blink red, knowing that it's charging, and then it will turn green when it's fully charged. You cannot overcharge the devices, so you will keep this charger plugged in, put them in there at night when you take them out of your ears, and then when you take them out of the charger, they will turn on and they are ready to use to put in the ears.